First problem, if x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0 is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points a comma b, and if a is equal to minus 1 minus 3, then find the coordinates of b. So given that x minus 3 minus 5 equal to 0 is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points a comma b. So here first we take the points a comma b. A is given that a is equals to minus 1 minus 3. This is the line joining the points a comma b, and also given one line which is x minus 3 minus 5 equal to 0. This is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining these 2 points. So this is the perpendicular bisector, means these 2 lines are perpendicular to each other, and this is the line which passes through the midpoint of a comma b. So what is a given question? Find the coordinates of b. So find the coordinates of b means we have to find the coordinates of b. Now we take this point is equals to h comma k, and clearly this is the image of the point a with respect to the line x minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Since these 2 lines are perpendicular, and the distance from this line to the b is equal to the distance from this line to the a. The 2 distances are equal. So here b is nothing but the image of the point a minus 1 minus 3 with respect to the line x minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. That is, to find the coordinates of b, it is enough to find the image of minus 1 comma minus 3. So first we write the given line here. Given line is x minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0, and we compare this equation with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then the values of ABC are: a is equals to 1, x coefficient; b is equals to minus 3, y coefficient; and c is equals to minus 5, constant. And next we take the given point. What is given point? Given point is a is equal to minus 1 minus 3. Now this is taken as x1 y1. So first we write the image formula. So what is the image formula? H minus x1 by a is equals to k minus y1 by b is equals to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Now we are replacing the values. H minus x1, what is x1? Minus 1, minus of minus plus 1 by a value 1 is equals to k minus y1 minus 3, minus of minus plus 3 by b value minus 3 is equals to minus 2 into ax1, 1 into minus 1, by1 minus 3 into minus 3 plus c minus 5 by a square plus b square, 1 plus 9, a value 1, b value minus 3, b square plus 9. That is, h plus 1 by 1 is equals to k plus 3 by minus 3 is equals to minus 2 into minus 1 plus 9 minus 5 by 9 plus 1 10, and this is equals to h plus 1 by 1 is equals to k plus 3 by minus 3 is equals to minus 2 into 9 minus 6, 3 by 10. Now it is cancelled by 5 times. Now equating the first value to last value and second value to last value, that is h plus 1 by 1 is equals to minus 3 by 5, and k plus 3 by minus 3 is equals to minus 3 by 5. Then what is h value here? H is equals to minus 3 by 5 minus 1. Taking LCM, then we get minus 3 minus 5 by 5 is equals to minus 8 by 5. And coming here, k plus 3 is equals to minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9 by 5. Then the value of k is equals to 9 by 5 minus 3. Taking LCM, 9 minus 15 by 5, this is minus 6 by 5. Therefore the coordinates of b is equals to h comma k, which is equals to minus 8 by 5 comma minus 6 by 5. That's all. This is the answer. Next problem, show that the distance of the point 6 comma minus 2 from the line 4x plus 3y is equal to 12 is half the distance of the point 3 comma 4 from the line 4x minus 3y is equal to 12. That is, the distance of the point 6 comma minus 2 from the line 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. One point is given here. This is 6 comma minus 2. One line is given, x plus 3y is equal to 12. The distance of the point from the line. First I take that this value is equals to p1. The distance of the point from the line is half the distance of the point from the line. Again another point is given which is 3 comma 4. Another line is given which is 4x minus 3y is equals to 12. Now the distance between these two is taken as P2. Now we have to show that the distance of the point from the line, that is P1. What is the first distance value? P1 is equals to half 1 by 2 into the distance of the point from the line, that is P2. Now we want to show that the first distance value is equals to 1 by 2 into second distance value. So first I take the given line. First first line is the first line 4x plus 3 by minus 12 equal to 0. And given first point is, what is the given first point? 6 comma minus 2. Now I take this value is equals to x1 y1. So first we find the distance of this point from the line. What is the formula? P1 is equals to, so here clearly P1 is equal to the distance of the first point from the first line. So what is the formula? Perpendicular distance formula, mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by square root of a square plus b square. Now we replace the values. What are ABC? ABC are these values: 4, 3, minus 2. ABC. Ax1 4 into 6 plus by1 3 into minus 2 plus c minus 12 by square root of a square plus b square. 16 plus 9. A is equals to 4, B is equal to 3. 16 plus 9. Now this is 24 minus 6 minus 12 by root 25, that is 5, which is equals to 24 minus 18 means 6 by 5. Therefore the value of P1 is equal to 6 by 5. Next we write the second line. Given second line is 4x minus 3 by minus 12 equal to 0. And given second point is 3 comma 4. This is x1 y1. Now we find the distance value, perpendicular distance from point to the line, that is P2 is equals to, again we take the same formula, mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by square root of a square plus b square. What are ABC values? 4 minus 3 minus 12, that is ax1 4 into 3, by1 minus 3 into 4 plus c minus 12 by square root of a square plus b square. 4 square plus minus 3 whole square. 16 plus 9. Now this is equals to 12 minus 12 minus 12 by root 25. Under modulus this minus becomes plus, that is 12 by 5. For P2 is equals to 12 by 5. What is P1 value? P1 is equals to 6 by 5 and P2 is equals to 12 by 5. Now we want to show that P1 is equals to half into P2. So P1 is equals to, this is 6 by 5. 6 by 5 means which is 1 by 2 into 12 by 5. When it is cancelled by 6 times, then we get 6 by 5. That is P1 is equals to half into 12 by 5. What is 12 by 5 value? P2. That's all. Therefore P1 is equals to half into P2, which is the required answer. That's all.